in service, still beautiful after all of these years, and not just the bare necessities. Would you believe this old girl is more than 40 years old? And I'm not just talking about me. This aircraft, the Beechcraft 260, rolled off the production line in 1981 and has been in continuous service ever since. And look at this, she's still bearing up after all these years. Bearing in mind it's quite compact, you can actually get 2 pilots in the cockpit up there. If it's not too unbearable, I'll walk you around the engines, which are 2 Pratt & Whitney PT6A engines, which are the most used in this sector of the market. Very important, the wings, with these winglets which help make it more aerodynamic, and this wingspan is actually 54 foot 6 inches or 16.6 meters across, helping the aircraft remain stable in the air. Despite the fact this Beechcraft can land almost anywhere, it's actually super comfortable on board, seating up to 11 passengers.